The block saw this thing and he said, man, you can paint that with overspray from another car so small, which, probably pretty accurate. What's going on, guys? It was in the block in the garage, Kia Sportage, and today we're going to swap these wheels out. I did take care of getting the suspension thing taken care of on that side. I'll post a link at the top of the screen about that video. Picked up these Ford F-150 wheels, same bolt pattern. Did a little bit of work with a hole saw to clearance the inner bore size just a little bit so they would fit. And we're going to mount them on here. Should have a little bit of a offset that'll be about where it needs to be at for some flares, and then we'll take care of moving to the rest of the modifications on this micro-crawler. This vehicle is the smallest thing I've ever put on this Impact 6000. It weighs about half as much as the lift can lift, which is kind of funny because this thing's really small. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get lifted up in the air when we get these wheels off, and then we'll take it for a spin. Also do a walk around, see what it looks like. So this is the reason I'm swapping these tires out. Yeah, you see that. These things are way past their prime. And also there's some splitting right there on the inside. You see that right there? These look dirty, but they're at least not cracking. So yeah. Should be good. Let's see. Alright, got them mounted. Had to do a little bit of trimming on this bumper on this side because this thing was involved in some sort of incident. The bumper was pushed back and it's already split and mangled, so I just trimmed it back. You can see how much further back it is than the fender. Bumper should be really out here, which is why this was rubbing. Because over on this side, it cleared just fine. Sorry for the tight video footage. I hardly have any room in this building at all. It's extremely tight right now. I want to go ahead and get these wheels on here because the other ones, as you can see, all sorts of worn out and cracking. Not good to be driving on, so that's why I pulled those off. Found these wheels on Marketplace for like 50 bucks, and I had the tires, so just swapped the wheels out. A little action with the hole saw to clearance the center bore, and we're good to go. Yep, that's how she looks with those wheels. Got a little bit of poke, you can see there. A little bit on the back. This side here so you can see. The back's not out too far, actually. Not as far as the front, so I don't think I'll put a spacer or anything on there. I'll leave it where it is. Leave it where it is. Top down. You can see outside the fender just a little bit. But yeah, not too bad. That's an F-150 wheel from a 1988 F-150 to 1996 before they had the body style change in 97. See 5 by 5.5 inch wheel bolt pattern, and this has M12 1.5 lug nuts. I'll probably switch out to some other style lug nuts at some point in time, but for now this works. One step closer to crawling with the micro crawler. My name's Erwin. This 3 Wheels in a Block. We're giving back what time has taken away. We'll see you soon.